SDK.finance.
This video shows you the process of issuing cards using SDK.finance fintech platform. Let's start with the system setup. Here your customers can find their accounts and take the first step, create an in-system e-wallet. For this, they only need to fill its name and set the currency. In this example, we will use dollars. After creating a personal USD account, your customers can go ahead and top up their new wallet using a debit card. Users should simply select the account they want to top up and enter the amount. So, the personal USD account has been successfully topped up with $100. Issuing a virtual card. Now, to have a card issued, users should go back to their wallet and click on the card section. Next, they select a virtual card product, pick a design for it, and enter a nickname to easily find the new card in the system. Now the virtual card is ready and users need to activate the card, clicking on it. So, here it is, the card we just issued is ready to go, and your customers can view their transactions, card settings and details. Now the customer can use it for transactions within the system and beyond, and also easily issue a physical card if needed. Let's bring your fintech product vision to life.